Yan, what's up, ATM? Alden Richards here.
Dance Universe! At buong mundo, this is the final dance-off for Stars on the Floor! Let the dance-off begin!
Rojan and Dasari showcased their finale performance for Stars on the Floor, and I think yun nga, I think it's one of the best and one of their most powerful performance yet. Kitang-kita yung dedication ng dalawa, especially alam ko na prior that the family of Rojun will perform. I will watch will watch him perform tonight. Pagpasok pa lang ng unang beat ng music, kita mo na yung iba sa kilos. And ganun eh, yun makikita mo kasi si Rojun is a very family man. Mabait kasing tao yan eh. Also same with Dasuri, with Sajamin, with how she interprets every steps, every dance moves, with every music that they chose to be their material for the performance. Parang best duo sila talaga, to be paired. Yung mga star duos natin dito sa Stars on the Floor has different kinds of strengths and weaknesses. But for me, I think these two, walang weakness eh. By far ha. Wala silang weakness pareho. The skills are complementing each other. Walang nagsasapawan, walang naiiwan, walang hindi nakakasunod. One way or another, they always try to make their performance work every single episode.
I mean, kamusta? I mean, why was this performance very emotional for you?
Ramdam ko yung frustration ni Zeus for some reason. And yun din eh, because right now we're at the finale. But siguro may ganun kasi sa lalaki kasi parang I think it's a matter of, I'm not saying this in a bad light, but yung ego kasi namin, especially, we're very competitive. Medyo hindi na-live up yung expectation
okay,
ni Zeus with the performance. Again, there's a lesson learned from this performance. With Faith, sobrang hats off sa kanya. Siya yung cool with everything. Mahirap yun ah. Being the lady in the pair. Siya yung parang siya yung pacifier. Chill siya, contained siya, tsaka parang pinilit niyang hindi maging weak for Zeus during that performance. So hats off to you, Faith. Kakatapos lang ng performance ni Thea and Joshua. You know, seeing the journey of those of that specific duo, they are both fighting for their place here in the industry in terms of dancing. Kasi nga, yun nga, napakaraming mananayaw, napakaraming taong gustong maging sikat na mananayaw. But I think it really boils down to perseverance, patience, and resilience, and hard work. And etong of course, we know the backstory of these two na, of course, they both grew up in the Middle East and medyo hindi talaga nila nakagisnan yung buhay dito sa Pilipinas. Pero seeing them being able to perform as a Filipino on the dance arena natin, nakita natin yung progression, especially Thea. I'd like to commend her coming from the feedbacks nga ever since nagkakaroon ng feedback in Dance Authority is really more than... Gusto ko yung sinabi ni Mamang kanina sa feedback na para siyang kutsilyong hinahasa. Habang hinahasa, patalas siya ng patalas with everything. And ang ganda lang na naging avenue and platform tong Stars on the Floor for all the other, which I have friends na mga na part ng duos, and I know and I've seen their talents in terms of dancing. Napakarami kong bagong nakita, especially si Glyza, Rojun, and Dasuri. Sila yung talagang sobrang na-push to the next level. You know, yun kasi minsan, like specifically for Thea and Joshua, when you're in a position where you're being pushed to break your limits, maraming discoveries dyan, maraming realization dyan. And more than what we're seeing on the dance floor, kay Thea and Joshua, I'm sure marami silang na-realize being able to be part of this show. Kakatapos na ng performance ni Glyza and JM. They were strong contenders even way before hindi pa sila magka-pair up. You know, JM with the flawless, on-point dance moves na, alam mo, akala mo pag tiningnan mo siya, lumalagpas siya doon sa actual choreography. Pero when you see it as a whole, parang bihira kasi yun eh. Ako, being a dancer. Okay, hindi. Being able to also dance before. Ang hirap kasing timplahin ng tamang dance move for every specific genre that you choose. And JM has it all. Yun yung advantage ni JM dito. I mean, of course, all of the dancers and all of the duos has different fortes. But JM, technically, forte niya lahat. Lahat kaya niyang gawin. Lahat kaya niyang gawing JM style. I think, and with this performance, goes to show na in all genres, siguro, walang hindi kayang gawin yung JM eh. Ang sobrang revelation sa akin dito, aside from Thea, is really Glyza, si Madam. I think that really happens and alam mo kasi pag mabuting tao ka kasi talaga binibless ka eh. Si Glyza, walang yabang sa katawan yan. Ever since the day I met her, of all the people since I started doing Sunday shows, isa yan sa mga pinakawalang ere sa katawan in all aspects. Pero alam natin kung gaano kagaling na artista, gaano kagaling na mananayaw, at gaano kagaling na singer. Pero lahat yun hindi pumasok sa ulo niya. And I think that's one of the reasons. And one good aspect of Glyza is she's always hungry to learn and she's like a sponge. Kahit saan mo ilagay yan sa mundo, as a person, based on how I know her, magpo-foster yan eh. Magta-thrive siya eh. And I think isa yung, kasi actress din yan by heart. And I think that's one of the reasons why she's been able to really transform herself every time she's on stage dancing different genres. Kami kasing mga actors, yung mga matatagal lang dito, we have developed a certain level of empathy. So yung empathy meaning, we are sensitive with everything that's happening in our surroundings. And I think nagamit yun ni Madam to be able to cope up and live up and even exceed the expectations of everyone here sa Stars on the Floor.
Nakita ka rin namin doon, Pat, na ikaw yung sumasayaw ng choreography niyan. Tell us your thoughts right now. How do you guys feel right now?
Si Patrick po talaga gusto niya talagang gawin to. Just, sobrang nasaktan lang po ako sa part niya. Kasi alam ko po yung gustong-gusto mong gawin yung performance pero hindi mo siya magawa kasi may masakit or hindi talaga pwede. And sabi ko, yung performance na to, inalay talaga namin kay Patrick. I'm happy na narinig ko na nakita nila si Patrick sa performance namin.
Ako pinipigilan ko lang talaga maging emotional kasi para naming mga ano yan eh, baby boy and baby girl namin yan dito, especially si Kakay malapit sa akin yan. I know, I feel a special, parang walang pwedeng gumalaw kay Kakay, baka masapok ko talaga. Yung ganong feeling, mabait din kasi, walang yabang sa katawan, and Patrick as well. But, yun eh, alam mo, if I were in Patrick's shoes, I would be very devastated. And yun yung nararamdaman ni Pat ngayon. Knowing him to be able to perform a lot of dance showcases here in the show. Ramdam ko yung frustration and actually may konting galit yun. I don't know. Kung ako yun, I would really be mad at myself. Kung ako I'm not saying that's Patrick's reaction towards it. Kasi ito na eh. Ang maganda kasi kay Patrick, pinilit niya talaga. Kita namin dito sa backstage. Kita namin habang ginagamot siya ng mga medics natin. Gusto niyang sumayaw. Nakita niyo po yung severity nung kanyang injury. Dapat po, nagpapahinga na siya sa hospital ngayon. Pero sumayaw pa rin siya nung opening. And that's a hats-off moment for me to him. And whatever field Patrick chooses, in the event na gusto niya mag-transition into anything he wants here in the industry, or maybe not in the industry, with that kind of mindset, he will go places. Kasi humble na tao yan, hardworking. Tapos, hindi pa bigat. Na kahit nahirap na, pinilit pa rin. So, hats off to you, Pat. It's an honor being able to know a person like you here in the show. I'm just so proud of you. And etong nangyari sa Stars on the Floor is just a launching pad for Kakay and you. To Kakay, yung girl power, yung resilience ng mga kababaihang Pilipina, pinakita niyo yun dun sa performance. Kasi gaano kahirap yun na nirehearse mo siya, pinaghandaan mo siya for the longest time para dito sa showcase for the finale. And yet, in the long run, may injure ka. Pero you were able to deliver a performance more than what is expected. She knew na hindi na makakasayaw si Patrick. She knew na it's not gonna be scored. But still, she performed flawlessly with Coach Eljan. Kaya, ayun, gets na gets ko si Yan kanina kung bakit sobra siyang emotional. I can feel her. I just told myself na hindi. Kailangan magpakakuya ako dito sa dalawa. Hindi ako pwedeng magpakita ng vulnerability kasi my heart goes to them at this point. Kasi alam ko mahirap to You know, very competitive yung roster natin ng Dance Star Duos. And alam ko kung gaano sila kagigil maging first ultimate Dance Star Duo for Stars on the Floor. But things happen. And they accepted that humbly. Walang sinisi, walang inaway. And that's the way to go. You know, if you're starting in the industry, yun yung dapat hindi mawala sa sistema mo Be grateful of the circumstance. Kasi there's always a learning and there's always a lesson to be learned in all those kinds of circumstances. May it be good or bad, you have to be grateful about that. So, to Pat Kai, maraming nagmamahal sa inyo. Ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na marami kayong mapapasaya every Saturday and you guys will definitely be missed on weekends after Stars on the Floor. But nonetheless, congratulations.